Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to put a picture on a t-shirt. You're going to need the following items: a picture, parchment paper, a t-shirt, scissors, Saran wrap, and iron. Now I'm going to use the scissors to cut out the picture from the paper. Now, once you're done cutting the picture, you're going to need a piece of Saran wrap that's big enough to cover the picture. Now, when you're done ripping the Saran wrap, you're going to take the picture and put it in the middle and fold it up neatly. Now, you're going to grab a piece of parchment paper that's bigger than the paper. Now, you grab the picture and put it anywhere you want on the t-shirt. Now, you grab the parchment paper and put it over, and now my mom will iron it. After being ironed for 1 to 2 minutes, you take off this parchment paper and it's on and the picture's on the shirt. Thanks for watching. Bye.